Now for the final part, we will send transform data to Power BI and visualize our data there. So now let's search here Power BI, Power BI desktop. Once the Power BI opens, click on blank report. Now we have to get the data. So click here get data, more, and you can see here is our formats, and click on Azure, and here data lake storage gen 2, and here we have to give the link for our container. So click on here three dots and container properties and copy this path. Now go back and paste this URL. One thing you have to take care, and that is that instead of blob, write DFS here. Now there are three ways to connect storage account to Power BI. First is organizational account, second is account key, third is shared access signature. We will do the account key. So go to security plus networking and access keys and click on show and copy this key and paste it in here. And you can see here is our data. Click on transform data. And from here, these .csv files are actually our files. So let's click on this first CSV file. Click on binary, change the name to accounts, and then close and apply. Similarly, we get data for the other tables. Data like Gen 2 and the URL, which is transform data, this container properties URL, copy the URL and paste it in here. This is DFS. Again transform data. Now click on the second CSV file. Change the name to data dictionary and close and apply. Now repeat this process. Azure Data Lake Gen 2 and the URL, change the blob to DFS and transform data. Now the third CSV file, change it to products, change the name to products and close and apply. Now again get data, Azure, from these Azure Data Lake Gen 2 URL blob will be changed into DFS, and then OK, and then transform data, and select the fourth or second last CSV, which is this, and now change the name to sales pipeline, close and apply. Alright, let's do it for the last table, which is Azure Teams. Sorry, which is sales teams. Blob dot blob, instead of blob there will be DFS, and OK, and transform data, and the last CSV file, change the name to sales teams, and close and apply. Alright, we won't really need the data dictionary because it's just the explanation of the columns, so we won't be needing it. But for the sales teams, why is it column 1, 2, 3? I think we did a mistake there. We will have to get data again for this table, so let's delete from model, yes, and then get data, Azure Data Lake Gen 2, DFS, transform data, and go to the last one. Alright, so we have to do here, use first row as table, as headers, and let's give it a name as sales underscore teams, and close and apply. Okay, now its name is clear.